Hi, today I'm going to give you a quick no edits rundown of how to use ReLaunch. This is the 1.0 product phase, so I haven't really done much. I'm starting with a very basic setup. I'm using Reaper as my DAW just to play notes. And I have Chuck for the project itself. First thing you need to do is go to your DAW and whatever else you have. Open your preferences. Control P is the binding, and make sure that MIDI-in is not being used by any other program. Incidentally, you should also not have MIDI out too in this, whatever your virtual audio cable is. If you don't have one, you need to go download. I recommend Loopy. It's the one I use. So make sure those are disabled because it needs to be used by Chuck. After that, all you need to do, before I add this shred, go to your Launchpad, press this session channel. This opens a settings menu, and you see in the bottom right, it has a green and orange button. The green button puts it into normal mode, and the orange button puts it into programmer mode. I'm going to skip that animation. This is completely blank. And now it's ready to be overwritten. Now when I add the shred, it takes me to the mode. This mode, which I'm affectionately calling Cordo, is the first mode. I'm just going to show off a couple of its features. On the bottom, you have your palette. This is just a bunch of notes in a chromatic order. And it also has this bar on the side. So you can go up by an octave, or by a note at a time. You can see more green dots moving around here, here, and here. Those are the C's. The top is for programming. As you can see, if I press this button here, this bar turns purple, which means it can be programmed. Now if I play a note, and push this on here, and switch it out of programming mode, it has remembered that note. And in that way, you can easily save a quick scale onto this. The other 3 rows here do the same function, but give you more room. All right, with all of that, you should be able to do this on your own machine. Good luck.